Hey everybody, this is Neil Bertrand with Cypress Cove Publishing. Website is cypresscovepublishing.com. We cooked another meal today. Today's meal is called Easy Smothered Potatoes and Sausage. And so we just decided, hey, we need to make a video. We did it. We have all the props here of what we used. And so this is what we used. This is what the recipe says. 3 links of smoked sausage. So we use 1 pound of smoked sausage. The recipe calls for a bag of frozen crinkle cut French fried potatoes. We decided to do regular russet potatoes. We have about 4 or 5 pounds of russet potatoes peeled and chopped. Onion soup mix, we use 2 packets of the onion soup mix. We used 1 onion, 2 onions chopped up. We used about 1½ heads of garlic like this. Then of course seasoning. We have the red pepper, black pepper, salt, and real butter. We used about 3/4 of a stick of butter. And we put it in the slow cooker, and it cooked for about 3 hours, 3½ hours. Jeremy says 4 hours. And so here's the finished product. Jeremy, come on in here and zoom in on this. You can see the potatoes, the sausage, here's some onion. And I tell you what, the smell is awesome. Can't wait to dig into this. It's fresh out of the pot. So, real easy to do. You can buy my book at Amazon.com. Just type in Neil Bertrand, that's Neilbertrand. Type in Neil Bertrand or Neil Bertrand Books, and it should take you to my author page where you can see all 18 or 19 of the books that I've published. I've published 3 cookbooks. This one here, Slow Cooker Meals, Easy Home Cooking for Busy People. We've done rice cooker meals, fast home cooking for busy people, and we did down home Cajun cooking favorites, which has 140 authentic old time Cajun recipes. And so try this out. You can see, look in the description box below the video. You'll see the link to buy this book here and another link to see all of my books. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Share the video, like the video, make comments. I'd appreciate it. Alright, y'all. Bye.